Good morning. It's Friday, February 6th, day 88 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself. I don't work Fridays. I have a 4-day work week. So I like to do longer walks all at once on Friday, usually around 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours, depending on the weather and how I feel. But it's kind of gorgeous out right now. It's kind of crazy to say that at 22 degrees, but it feels gorgeous and the sun is shining, so let's go. Okay, we're now down at Gulf Beach. Still quite nice out. See by the flagpole over there. It's a little bit windier down here, but not too bad. Let's keep going. Down in Milford Harbor. See how the geese, seagulls are farther up there. Still partially frozen. Not sure what all that water is about, but whatever. And here's the other side. Let's go. Down at the harbor, seagulls are all standing on the ice here. But they're not frozen because they're moving around. Good news. Still downtown, now at the duck pond. Keep going. It really is a beautiful day out. I'm enjoying the sunshine. Let's go. Head home. Heading back past the harbor. Heading home. Got well over my steps, but we'll see what our final total is. Let's go. Day 88 complete. 26,619. I'm sweating to death, so I had to take off my hat. But all good. We're done. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.